The pyramids of Egypt, majestic, imposing, mysterious. The most iconic of them all, the Great Pyramid of Giza, stands as a testament to the ingenuity and ambition of our ancient ancestors. How did they achieve such a feat of engineering? The answer, shrouded in the mists of time, continues to fascinate and elude us. For generations, scholars, archaeologists, and historians have grappled with the enigma of pyramid construction. The sheer scale of these monuments, built with millions of massive stone blocks, defies easy explanation. The precision with which these blocks were cut and fitted together with minimal mortar is equally astonishing. The questions linger. What methods did the ancient Egyptians use to transport, lift, and place these enormous stones? The mystery surrounding the construction of the pyramids has given rise to numerous theories, some more plausible than others. From elaborate ramps to ingenious internal structures, each theory attempts to unravel the secrets behind these architectural marvels. The allure of the pyramids lies not only in their physical grandeur but also in the enduring mystery they represent. One of the most enduring and widely discussed theories surrounding pyramid construction is the ramp theory. This theory posits that the ancient Egyptians used massive earthen ramps to haul the heavy stone blocks up to the pyramid's rising levels. Imagine, if you will, thousands of workers, their backs bent under the weight of ropes, dragging massive sleds laden with stone blocks up these ramps. Proponents of the ramp theory point to its seeming simplicity and the availability of materials. Earth and rubble were readily available in ancient Egypt, and constructing a ramp would have been a labor-intensive but achievable task. However, the ramp theory is not without its critics. Skeptics argue that the sheer size and slope of the ramps required to reach the upper levels of the pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramid, would have been impractical, if not impossible, to construct and maintain. While the ramp theory offers a plausible explanation for some aspects of pyramid construction, it leaves several questions unanswered. In recent decades, a new theory has emerged, challenging the traditional ramp theory and offering a captivating alternative, the internal ramp hypothesis. This theory, championed by researchers like myself, proposes that the ancient Egyptians used a system of internal ramps built within the pyramid itself to transport the stone blocks upward. Imagine, if you will, a spiral ramp encased within the pyramid's core, winding its way up towards the apex. Workers would have hauled the blocks up this internal ramp, protected from the elements and able to maintain a consistent angle of incline throughout the construction process. Evidence supporting the internal ramp hypothesis comes from various sources. Microgravimetry scans of the Great Pyramid have revealed density variations within the structure, suggesting the presence of internal passages or ramps. Furthermore, the discovery of a series of mysterious voids and chambers within the Great Pyramid, including the recently unveiled Big Void, adds weight to the theory, suggesting a complex internal structure beyond what was previously imagined. While the internal ramp hypothesis is not without its challenges, it offers a compelling and innovative solution to the puzzle of pyramid construction. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of pyramid construction, we encounter yet another intriguing theory, the water shaft theory. This theory centers on the intricate network of shafts and passages found within the Great Pyramid, some of which connect to chambers located deep beneath the structure. Could these shafts have played a role in transporting the heavy stone blocks? Proponents of the water shaft theory suggest that the ancient Egyptians may have used a system of canals and locks to float the massive stone blocks into position. Imagine, if you will, barges laden with stone, being raised through a system of locks within the pyramid, utilizing the power of water to lift these immense weights. While this theory may seem far-fetched at first glance, there is some evidence to support it. The presence of water erosion marks inside some of the shafts suggests that water was indeed present within the pyramid during its construction. Furthermore, the ancient Egyptians were known for their mastery of water management and irrigation, as evidenced by their sophisticated canal systems. However, the water shaft theory also faces significant challenges. Critics argue that the shafts and passages within the pyramid are too narrow and winding to accommodate large barges or blocks. Section 5. Out of this world, the alien intervention theory. No discussion about the pyramids would be complete without addressing the elephant, or rather, the alien spaceship, in the room, the alien intervention theory. This theory, popularized by science fiction and conspiracy theorists, suggests that the pyramids were built with the help of extraterrestrial beings. Could it be that ancient astronauts armed with advanced technology descended upon Earth and aided the Egyptians in constructing these monumental structures? Proponents of this theory point to the seemingly impossible feats of engineering involved in pyramid construction, arguing that such achievements would have been beyond the capabilities of ancient humans. They often cite the pyramid's precise alignment with celestial bodies, the enigmatic nature of some hieroglyphs, and the lack of a definitive explanation for certain aspects of their construction as evidence of extraterrestrial involvement. However, the alien intervention theory lacks credible scientific evidence. While the pyramids are undoubtedly impressive, attributing their construction to aliens dismisses the ingenuity and capabilities of our human ancestors. The ancient Egyptians were skilled astronomers and mathematicians, and their knowledge and abilities should not be underestimated. While the alien intervention theory provides fodder for imaginative speculation, it is important to approach such claims with a healthy dose of skepticism. Section 6. Beyond the Pyramids. Unraveling the mystery of human ingenuity. While the debate surrounding the specific construction methods of the pyramids continues, one thing remains undeniable. These structures are a testament to the ingenuity, determination, and collaborative spirit of our human ancestors. The pyramids were not built overnight, nor were they the product of a single genius. They were the culmination of generations of knowledge, skill, and unwavering dedication. The construction of the pyramids required a complex interplay of factors: a deep understanding of astronomy and mathematics, mastery of logistics and resource management, and the ability to mobilize and coordinate a vast workforce. The pyramids challenge us to expand our understanding of what was possible in the ancient world. They force us to confront the limitations of our own assumptions, and to appreciate the boundless potential of human ingenuity when driven by a shared purpose. Section 7. The enduring legacy of the pyramids. Thousands of years after their construction, the pyramids continue to inspire awe and wonder. They are not merely ancient tombs but enduring symbols of human achievement, a testament to our ability to conceive and execute projects of extraordinary scale and complexity. The pyramids remind us that we are capable of achieving greatness when we work together towards a common goal. As we gaze upon these colossal structures, we are reminded of the enduring power of human creativity and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage. The pyramids are not just relics of the past, they are a gift from our ancestors, a reminder of our shared history and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead. The mystery surrounding the pyramids only adds to their allure, fueling our imagination and inspiring us to explore the unknown. Section 8. A testament to human collaboration and innovation. The construction of the pyramids serves as a powerful reminder that even the most daunting challenges can be overcome through human collaboration and innovation. The ancient Egyptians did not possess modern technology or machinery, yet they accomplished something truly extraordinary through sheer ingenuity, meticulous planning, and the unwavering dedication of countless individuals. The pyramids stand as a symbol of what can be achieved when people from all walks of life, from the humblest laborer to the most skilled artisan, unite behind a shared vision. They remind us that progress is not solely driven by technological advancements, but by the power of human ingenuity, the willingness to push boundaries, and the unwavering belief in our collective ability to achieve the seemingly impossible. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, facing challenges that range from climate change to social inequality, the pyramids serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration. Section 9. Conclusion. The pyramids, forever an inspiration. The pyramids of Egypt, shrouded in mystery and steeped in history, continue to captivate our imaginations and inspire us to reach for the stars. While the debate surrounding their construction may never be definitively settled, the enduring legacy of the pyramids extends far beyond the technical aspects of their creation. They serve as a testament to the boundless potential of human ingenuity, the enduring power of collaboration, and the importance of preserving our cultural heritage for generations to come. As we stand in the shadow of these colossal structures, we are reminded that we are capable of achieving greatness when we dare to dream big, work together, and never stop exploring the mysteries of our world. Let the pyramids forever inspire us to reach for the stars, to push the boundaries of human achievement and to build a future worthy of the legacy we inherit.